Hey guys, how are you all? Yet another episode of Unacademy News Point, and this is your educator Shweta Sharma. So, how are you all? It was a long time since I've come and online and started something informing about some of the other things. But yet today I welcome you all, everyone who's watching the video. First of all, please do not forget to like the video also and drop your comments in case if you're feeling anything about you want to share something. So before I start today's news, let me just quickly start with my introduction. So my name is Shweta Sharma. I'm a plus educator for class 9 CBSE on Unacademy. And apart from that, I also teach political science to class 11th and 12th. You guys can check out my profile link in the description box. So please guys go ahead, check the profiles out, check all the plus courses and special classes out. Do enroll for it, and then I'm going to be seeing you in my special sessions. Apart from that, I'm from the capital city, Delhi. I stay in Goa. I've been born and raised in Delhi, and I've been teaching on Unacademy since May 2020. It's almost been 1 year. It has been a roller coaster journey. So, and today I have come here to tell you guys something very exciting. As we have already discussed, that Unacademy News Point is not just about very specific news. It's something which is more beyond than that. Today we have a very, very, very important update that I would really like to share. Also guys, in case if you have any doubts, anything that you want to convey or ask me, you guys can put it in the comment section. Let us know what you think about the video, and let us know what else I can come up with, so that it's easier for you all. So today's news is very, very, very important for all those who would be appearing for joint entrance examination conducted by National Testing Agency in the year 2021, which is very severely affected by pandemic. On the note of that, I hope everyone is safe and everyone is staying at home. Please do not step outside until unless it's very, very necessary. Now that the examinations are cancelled for class 12th as well, all you have to do is to stay at home and make sure how you are going to make the best of your time. I know it's difficult, but yeah, that's something that we always have to do. So guys, today's news is related to all the aspirants who will be giving or who wants to give JEE Main or NEET UG in the year 2021. There's a very important update which every student must know. So right now, as you all know, that the examinations were scheduled to happen in 4 ways. Specifically for JEE, it was actually scheduled to happen 4 times in the entire year. One part has already taken place, but the examinations which were scheduled to happen in the month of May, that has been postponed. The ones which were scheduled to happen in the month of April and May, that has been postponed because of the COVID-19 rising cases in all the states almost. And now that the examinations are cancelled for class 12th and 10th already, it's going to be very tricky to conduct this joint entrance examination for both the medical aspirants and the engineering aspirants, because it's a very big level entrance examinations and almost lakhs of candidates will be appearing for it. So how the government is going to conduct, it's going to be a really, really big question. Right now, as per the Ministry of Education, they might conduct it in the month of August. Earlier, it was supposed to be in the month of April or May, but right now, the date has been postponed. As of now, it might be conducted on 1st of August, as whatever sources that we have gotten it from. Right now, National Testing Agency will release the JEE Mains 2021 examination dates for both the sessions at least 15 days before the examinations. Again guys, it's not a kind of examinations which you can actually conduct online, and we are really not sure if the COVID third wave doesn't hit us before the month of August, or or maybe in that month, we might have the chance of having the examination, but we are not absolutely sure. So anything which is decided by the center, they will let you know 15 days in advance before the examination schedule is going to get released. So all you have to do is to check out the JEE Mains website and make sure you are completely updated. We will also be coming up with every information that we also come across, and the dates might be announced in a few days. Right, and you have to just keep on following the same channel. Apart from that, guys, as we already know, the first phase of JEE Mains is already done in the month of February, and the second one is done in the month of March. The ones which were there, which were scheduled to happen in the month of April and May, they have been cancelled, they have been postponed. As of now, we don't know when it is going to happen, although we have the news that it's going to be happening in the month of August, but that is also not sure. So just make sure, for further clarification, you are checking out JEE's website. Same goes for NEET UG student and all those. A lot of people have been asking me, ma'am, what is the criteria for CU set? Because the entire pattern for Delhi University and various other universities have been changed. Now there's going to be one common entrance examination for various students who are willing to take admissions across the country in different universities. So CU set was supposed to be introduced by the Indian government this year, but because of the ongoing situation, it is still on hold. So we exactly have no idea when is it going to get completely implemented. All you have to do is to just wait till the time Ministry of Education actually tells us something related to this particular entire situation. So just make sure that you are staying at home, you're not actually stepping outside, because it's going to be really, really long decision and very critical too. So just make sure you are completely safe and not putting yourself at risk by going outside, by stepping outside. We don't know. There have been a lot of news, in case students might need to have the negative RT-PCR reports before they step into the examination hall. So something of that sort also can happen. We have no idea about that. But yes, these are the newses which are coming into the market. But again, as I always say, do not believe in the news, rumors and WhatsApp forward messages. All you have to do, just go to these official website of these examinations and check out all the relevant information, or you can please like the video. We're going to be coming up with more such contents every week and whenever there's something new. So thank you so much for watching this video. But before I just take a leave, let me just tell you something about Unacademy Plus. That is what we are famous for. So guys, all those who have not taken the Unacademy subscription or who have not checked my profile, you can check it out in the description link. Make sure that you're booking all my special classes for the month of June, and if you have not checked out any of the special classes, you guys can use my code SSLive10. Use it to book all the special classes that I have on the Plus platform, absolutely free. All you have to do is to use the code, which is SSLive10, to book all of them and to check out how I teach and how other educators teach. Apart from that, guys, all those people who have not taken Plus or Iconic subscription, right now is the perfect time, because आप में से बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो just अभी नई classes में आए हैं, and this is actually the best time because you have the entire year to cover your entire syllabus. In Plus, you will get a lot of benefits, and so as you're going to be getting in Iconic as well. In Plus, you're going to be getting India's best educators providing you all the material with complete mentorship and guidance. Proper syllabus coverage will be there, along with the live test and quizzes, PDF for entire chapters, for all the chapters after the session gets over. Not just this, in Iconic you also get an add-on, which is like a personal mentor. You also get live doubt solving sessions time to time, specifically designed for you, a parent connect summit in which you can actually make your parents meet your personal mentor. Apart from that, proper study planners are designed for you. And let's not forget, there are batches which gets launched every Monday for almost every subject. Right now, there are many batches which we have already launched. For class 10, there's a mission half yearly batch जो कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर SST, Maths, Science और English. ये चारों सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाए जाएंगे. रश्मि मैम आपको SST पढ़ाएंगी, Ashdeep मैम will be teaching you Maths, Bhavna मैम will be teaching you Science, and Vandana मैम will be teaching you English. So all these four female educators are going to be teaching you very, very, very important subjects. So just make sure that you're enrolling in this particular batch for your half yearly preparation, specifically for all the class 10 students. Apart from that, class 9 students, for maths and science, you must join this Let's Solve Numerical and NCERT Exercises batch. Apart from that, guys, there's one more batch which is launched called as Summer Express batch. This is specifically for maths and science. All your doubts will be clear. This is specifically only for 1 month. From started, it has already started. It's going to be starting from tomorrow onwards, 7th of June, and will be available till 7th of July. So make sure you are completely prepared from this batch. It's going to be really interesting. Apart from that, all those who have not taken the Unacademy subscription, guys, please, if you like the session, like the video, comment your views, and make sure you are taking the Unacademy subscription by applying the referral code SSLive10. This is my referral code. In case if you liked it, make sure you are applying the referral code to check out all my plus courses and other educators plus courses as well, जो कि मैंने अभी तक आपको दिखाया. इसके अलावा, guys, if you are taking the subscription for 12 months, you can easily apply the code and get your 10% discount. इसके अलावा भी अगर किसी को लगता है कि 13,500 will be too much, you guys can apply your credits. There's going to be an option of proceed to pay. तो जैसे ही आप उस ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करते हो, आपको क्रेडिट्स मिलते हैं and you can easily apply your credits and pay your payment in parts or through EMI. It's going to be really interesting. Just make sure you have taken the subscription for Iconic or either Plus. Both of them are going to be really, really beneficial. Now, Iconic comes at a little higher cost, but it's completely worth it. So just make sure that you are ready to prepare, ready to study, and ready to win it back. Apart from that, guys, something which is very, very exciting right now, and that thing is Unacademy Emerge. It is India's largest free aptitude test, and with zero preparation. So you're going to be like, okay, ma'am, मुझे क्या पढ़ना पड़ेगा इसके लिए? It's a free aptitude test. So all you have to have is this. Nothing, no external preparation is required. This is specifically for class 12, 6 to 12, and the date will be 20th of June, so you have got plenty of time, and the timings is going to be on 12th. The timing is going to be 12 p.m. on 20th of June. There's going to be 30 questions for 60 minutes, and you don't, as I said, it's an aptitude test, so all you have to have is your brain and your quickly question solving power, and if you're lucky, you might win the exciting goodies from Unacademy and various other scholarships like MacBook. You can also win goodies like iPhone, iPad, and other certificates, trophies worth a lot of money. So till then, this offer is only valid till 7th of June, so link is given in the description already. All you have to do is to click on the description box, check out the link, enroll yourself, and if you're lucky, you might win all these exciting goodies every single day. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, get your chance before tomorrow, enroll for the Emerge scholarship, and who knows, you might be the next winner. Apart from that, guys, as I already told you, please get your Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription today itself. Do not forget to apply SSLive10. That is the magic code. You will get a lot of discount on that. I'm just kidding. 10% discount, and you can also get your credits also involved. Okay, guys, thank you so much for all those who have not downloaded the Unacademy app. You can get it from Google Store, and you can download it from the App Store as well. Try all these features by applying the referral code SSLive10. Check out my profile, check out all the plus courses and special classes. I'm going to be seeing you in yet another episode of Unacademy News Point. Until then, have a nice day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Make sure you are not stepping out of your house, and we will inform you with any such information, whatever is relevant, straight to your laptops and phones. Make sure you are ever ready, and stay safe, take care of yourself, stay at home. Let's crack it.